Students, today we are going to learn about capacity. Capacity means it is the ability of storing of charge by any body. It is the ability of storing charge by any body. So now if for example you take one spherical conductor, मान लें metal in the form of sphere whose radius is r. Now at present we have not given any charge. अभी फिलहाल उसके ऊपर कोई चार्ज नहीं है. सो चार्ज ज़ीरो, जब उसका इलेक्ट्रिकल पोटेंशियल भी ज़ीरो होगा, क्योंकि चार्ज ज़ीरो तो कुछ भी चार्ज दिए नहीं, सो पोटेंशियल भी ज़ीरो. लेकिन हम लोग कुछ चार्ज दिए तो उसका इलेक्ट्रिकल पोटेंशियल बढ़ेगा. सब उससे चार्ज क्यू है, पोटेंशियल जब वी रहेगा. क्यू चार्ज देने से पोटेंशियल बढ़ रहा है, क्योंकि पोटेंशियल फार्मूला है ना, इन केस ऑफ स्फेरिकल कंडक्टर 1/4πε0 Q/r. So potential depends on charge. R is constant radius, 1/4πε0 constant. So V is proportional to Q. मतलब क्या, चार्ज जैसा हम लोग और चार्ज देते जाएंगे उसका पोटेंशियल बढ़ते जाएगा. So V is proportional to directly Q. This graphically you can draw. So by taking charge on x-axis, potential on y-axis, if you draw the graph, it should be straight line because these two are directly proportional to each other. So straight line. Now then the quantity C, which is called capacity of the conductor, is defined like this. It is defined as the ratio of charge, how much you have given, to potential, how much it got. So this ratio is called capacity. For example, maximum charge we are giving is how much? VQ. Then it is getting maximum potential V. Why that time capacity is again VQ by big V. So means what? As when charge is increasing, potential is also increasing, but ratio will remain constant. So that ratio is called capacity. And here maximum charge, why we are calling? Because after that maximum charge, some more charge we cannot give, because depending on charge here, electric field will be developed here. That electric field will break the surrounding medium into ionic substance. Means what? It dissociates the surrounding medium into ions. Then surrounding medium, which is a dielectric or which is insulator, yes, for example say air, which is insulator, will act as conducting medium. Then the charge which you have given on the sphere will start to undergo leaking. So then amount of charge will start to decrease. In that way, charge will be given up to a maximum value. More than that maximum value we cannot give. If we give more than maximum value, electric field will become maximum. By that electric field, the surrounding medium will be dissociated into ions and will act as a conductor. Then the charge will start to undergo discharging. So that's why the charge will not further increase. So that is why limit is there for maximum charge. We cannot increase the charge up to infinite. So next principle of now if we substitute here in the place of V 1/4πε0 Q/r, then Q got cancelled, 4πε0r we got. That means what? Capacity of spherical conductor is 4πε0r. This means what? Capacity depends on radius. So we can capacity depends on radius. Greater the radius, greater the capacity it will have. Means what? Greater amount of charge it will store. Greater amount of charge it will store if the radius is greater. So this is about a spherical conductor. But this spherical conductor is not called capacitor. It is simply conductor. It is having some capacitance, some capacity or capacitance. But capacitor is specially made a device by using one principle. What is that principle? Which is called principle of capacitor. According to principle of capacitor, see, we know capacity is charge we have given by potential. Now clearly from the formula what we can understand, capacity is inversely proportional to potential. Means what? If you increase potential, capacity decreases. If you decrease potential, capacity will increase. That means what? While preparing capacitor, we will reduce by some mechanism we will reduce the potential of metal plate, then its capacity will increase. For example, see, here is one metal plate. Let us call plate A, on which we have given maximum charge big Q, because of which it got potential V. So its capacity should be C is equal to Q divided by V. Now, to increase capacity, what we should do? We have to decrease potential. To decrease potential, we will plate closely one more identical metal plate, which is called B. But this metal plate is not charged. It is neutral plate. Means what? In that amount of positive charge and negative charge will be same. So that is neutral plate. When this B neutral plate is placed very close to A, then due to induction, what happens? This side surface will get negative charge and this side surface will get positive charge. This is not the creation of charge. Within the B body itself, both charges were present. But now separation has taken place because of the influence of this positive charge. In it, negative charge is coming to this side surface and positive charge is pulled to that side surface. And this negative charge is called bound charge because it will be present because of this positive charge. And this positive charge is called free charge. Now, what will happen? This negative charge will reduce the potential of plate A, and positive charge will increase the potential of plate A. This is very important point. If you bring any negative charge to one metal plate A, then its potential will decrease, and positive charge, if it is brought close to this plate A, its potential will increase. But here, in these two, negative is closer to plate A. That is why its effect will be more. What is its effect? Decreasing of potential A. That's why resultantly its potential of plate A will decrease. So, as potential is decreased, capacity will increase. That is why capacity will increase. Now, further what we can do, if we do earth connection, then free charge will be earthed because of the electrons which are flowing from earth to metal plate B. The free charge will go away. It is discharged. It can be discharged. Then it can be neutralized. Then only what is present? Negative charge, by which its potential will further reduces. Now capacity will further increases. So this is the principle on which capacity is made. That means what? In making capacitor, there should be two metal plates, plate A and plate B. This is negatively charged and positively charged, and this is negatively charged. So capacity, its potential is say VA, its potential is VB, then capacity is defined as the charge which you have stored here, positive charge. Both charges are equal due to induction, plus Q minus Q. But capacity is defined as the charge Q divided by potential difference VA minus VB. Because its potential is no longer VA, it is reduced VA to VA minus VB because of presence of this plate. So that's why potential. So it is also can be written as ratio of charge present on plate A to potential difference between the two plates. In that way, capacity is defined.